Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, I'm gonna be nuking public lobbies with RPGs. And I already have a backpack full of them. Full of RPG ammo and one RPG. So I'm gonna be nuking lobbies, and credits to this guy. Because that's where I got the video idea from. I know. No, don't judge. Anyway. I'm gonna be nuking lobbies I'm gonna be nuking Animal Company lobbies with RPGs. And I don't know if this is gonna start war, like this guy's, but it's gonna be good. I don't know if it's gonna start war. I might die a couple times and I might have to restore some stuff. And yeah, grab a snack. Grab some popcorn. This isn't gonna be a long video, but just feel comfortable. And I have this whole backpack full of one RPG and a million different ammos, RPG ammos, and it is so full. It's full. I mean, look at that. Look at my anchor stuff. As soon as I pick this up, look how heavy it is. So. Yeah, I'm gonna be nuking lobbies with RPGs. So I'm gonna get into the first lobby. So alright, so I'm in the first lobby and I'm gonna start nuking.
Hello?
Give me more broccoli! Kill me!
Yeah?
I don't want to kill you, but you said
okay. Driving my car.
Hey, Dad! Kill me! Kill me, son! Kill me! Kill me! Punch me! Punch me! Keep punching me! Do as much as you can! Kill me! I want to die! I can't kill you! You're too strong! How? Keep shooting me! Before I turn small again! You've almost killed me!
No!
I'm Red Watch!
She says you wanna run away with me and it's a hoe. You guys, I wanna become big and then you...
Yo, I'm literally Red Watch.
No, you cannot.
You cannot have that.
Oh, shoot.
No, this was mine. Guys, I think I might have went too far.
Oh, damn it. Oh no.
I'm growing!
I died.
I don't have it. Give me that. Give me more.
Oh, it's up there. Bro, get down.
I need rocket launcher. Hey, give me my rocket.
Go.
Yo, the funny thing is, still myself back.
You stupid idiot! Oh my god! Why did you do that?
Hobble. That wasn't me, dude. That wasn't me. I need more.
I still got my stuff back, by the way.
I'm trying to nuke you guys.
Floated it.
Red Watch again. I'm Red Watch again. They know where I am. They know, you guys know where I am, right?
Hey Pookie, I'm also.
Oh my God! Don't sneak up on me like that. Okay, I'm trying to nuke these
I
people.
need on me. Can I come back, Pookie, so I can also kill you?
Yes.
I'm gonna go back so you put me back in my body.
Bro, it's all the way down there or something. I'm making a video right now.
I am Steve. Damn, I'm so slow. I'll be up there. Can I die? Hey.
Oh, I killed that guy. I think. Wait, where are my ammo? Anyway. Come on, get outside the safe zone, someone. Oh, I almost fell off. Where'd he go?
I'm back.
Oh, that's him. I think I killed someone. Wait, do you need a rocket launcher?
No.
You know what?
There's a bunch of them down there. We'll go grab one.
I'm just having fun. You know, I'm just trying to be only up. You know what, dude? I'm sorry.
Oh shoot, I think I killed him.
To be only up.
I think I killed him. I think I killed my friend. Oh no, no, no!
I'll get 2 grapples. Here you go. Okay, come over here.
No, I'm starting to get really light. No one step out the safe zone.
I like being a dead ghost. It's fun.
Oh, I just killed him hard.
I found this down there.
All right.
He came out.
I forgot. He's right there. Yo, I'm getting really light.
I can go buy some more.
Yo, was he Red Watch now?
Back.
He's Red Watch now. No, I'm Red Watch. I'm still Red Watch. Yo, I killed him hard, bro. I killed these people way too easy by nuking them. Uh-oh.
I can go buy some more.
I ran out of ammo. I need to go.
Don't worry. So now I'm just gonna go step on
Do
land.
you guys like that I'm nuking you?
No,
Because I'm the guy, bro.
you are no god.
Now me blaming myself. You can grab me if you want. Wait, where are you blaming me?
You guys are gonna die.
Oh, wow! Why me?
Come here, come here, come here.
No, they should catch up that glitch.
How are you freaking
so
going?
annoying.
I can grab you.
I'll get it.
Dude, someone help me!
I'm not wanting.
Here, I'm just gonna cut to the point where I can get more ammo.
Trigger!
frijoles y tacos.
Yo, I'm on cooldown. I'm on cooldown. So.
Chicharrones, ¿quién quiere?
I can buy some.
I'm back. ¿Quién quiere?
Yo, can you get me some ammo? Bro,
Chicharrones.
stop taking his stuff.
Chicharrones con modelo.
Revive him.
Give me him.
Chicharrones.
Revive him.
Chicharrones.
Revive him.
Chicharrones.
Kill me now.
Chicharrones. Necesito chicharrones.
You freaking good.
¿Quién quiere chicharrones?
Guys!
Dude, what is happening to the ghost?
Dude, yeah!
Chicharrones. Don't put him in there. Wait. Don't worry, dude. I'll revive you. ¿Quién quiere chicharrones? Chicharrones por $5. Chicharrones, conta tus chicharrones. Chicharrones. 5 centavos, chicharrones, vamos. Chicharrones,
Yo, I need a
modelos,
rocket
tacos.
launcher.
¿Quién
You
quiere?
have a rocket
¿Quién quiere?
launcher, Matt.
Oh, yeah.
I need a rocket launcher.
¿Quién quiere? Tenemos sal. ¿Quieren?
You get the weapons, Matt.
Yo, didn't you want to die? Didn't you want to die?
Thank you.
Está gratis, vamos, ¿quién quiere? Chicharrones.
I need some ammo.
Chicharrones.
I already own the ammo, so that's good.
Everyone have a VPN? Does anyone have a VPN?
No, listen, can you go out there for a second? Can you go out there for a second?
Wait, if you have a VPN, join me. Okay, sir, let me ready the...
I know what I have a VPN for.
If you have a VPN, go to the
Listen, you don't have VPN duplicate.
What code? GMYT. I have a VPN. What code?
Oh shoot, red one.
Phew, I wasn't too.
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Oh! I got so much people there, bro. Oh!
Coming! Hello!
Oh no!
We're going to help him! Dude!
Is that my body?
I was literally gonna help you, bro.
I don't know.
Bro, can I have Why did you do that? I was gonna help him. Bro, why did you do that? I was gonna help him.
Yo, kill the other guy.
Who's he? Who's he?
Oh, the other guy. He's red.
I'm here.
Kill him. Yeah, blue.
Hey!
Oh, you're
No.
stupid. Can somebody go pick us up? We're up here. Hey. Blue.
Is this thing rare?
Hey, Blue.
Hi, guys.
Yo, people keep killing me!
They have yellow. They
I'll save you.
No, please!
Save
Quickly!
them. Save them.
Quickly!
Save them. Revive me. Revive me.
Quickly!
Save them.
Yeah, I'm so
Is he back?
Yeah, I was so big and long.
Oh, can you put me in my body, please?
Yo, I've done nothing wrong. Yo, can you, where you go? Yo, I've done nothing wrong.
Put me.
I've not killed anybody, blood.
Put me in.
I'm just a good guy. I just wanted to steal the route. I thought he was a good guy. So I took his route. So I tried
Put
to kill him.
me in my thing.
It's not my blood. Becca, can you revive me? I'm a good guy. I've not killed anybody in my life.
Put me in. You're an idiot, bro.
I'm gonna collect this one first.
Wow.
Yo,
Hey, give that! Stop it!
God.
Stop that!
It was so big.
Stop.
It was so big and long.
Stop!
What?
Give that back!
It was so big and long.
Bro.
Hey, Blue, can you put me back in my body, at least?
Dude,
Yeah, I got you.
what is wrong with you? That's my stuff.
Not fair.
Here, I'll give you a bag of gold if you give me back my rocket launchers and stuff like that. I'll give you 2 bags of gold. Big
is not
gold
fair.
nuggets. I will. Give me my body back and I won't shoot you.
Hey, I'm
until
not a
you-
bad guy. I'm not a bad guy. I'm just here. I'm the guy that was.
Get him.
Traitor!
Look, what color is it? What color is this guy?
Traitor!
Is this green?
Green.
Traitor!
It's red.
You're a
It's red.
traitor. You betrayed me
Where's your body?
from the rocket launchers. It's over there.
See,
You betrayed me.
The only reason why I have a whole can is to protect myself.
You betrayed
No,
me.
no. Oh,
You betrayed
yo,
me.
I thought this guy was a different color.
You betrayed me.
Bro.
I want to punch somebody.
You're back.
Punch him.
Run.
Punch him. Punch him.
Dude, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna give you 2 bags of gold. How about I give you 2 bags of gold? 2 big
2
bags
bags
of
of
gold.
gold.
Too
I
bad.
will.
Wait, hold on. Come on.
Dang it,
Put on quick promise. Bitch.
Bro, I will. Just go back to the
capping.
lobby part. I will.
You're good.
Can you bring me back in my body?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm not a bad
Yeah,
guy.
he ain't getting no bag of gold now.
Guys,
I'll give you a bag of gold. I'll give you only 1 though.
Oh yeah!
Green.
Okay,
already
I need to
saved.
go. Come on, let's go. Can you bring me back?
Yeah,
He's gonna kill me.
Y'all better
He's
run.
gonna kill me.
Y'all better run.
ADSD. And, real video.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a bag of gold.
Hey, bro, let's go to a private
Somebody
service.
kill me
Just take it. Just take it.
under the sea.
Yeah, I only has
Alright, drowning.
four
Yo,
gold.
why does he get gold?
Fine.
Oh,
I'll give you a
gold?
gold.
Never mind. I don't need that. How much does it sell for?
I saved him
Oh,
from a bad
nothing, because you
person.
helped me with the rocket launchers. So.
No,
me
you
to
want
help them
this? Who wants this?
I'll take it.
VPN. Who wants me to dupe?
Thank you.
Somebody help me. Can somebody help me? I need help. I can get out.
All right, can I add you and we'll go into another lobby?
I like-
The nuke.
Who wants to trade for a suitcase?
Does anybody here want this green suitcase? It's really rare. You want it? Okay, then go get it. I don't know where that went.
I'm Red Watch. Oh shoot. Everyone's gonna want to kill me.
Oh, he already got the suitcase. Good boy.
That was too close.
Yeah.
Yeah, little boy, giant boy, come get me, little boy.
What is going on over there?
Dang.
I don't care, bro.
Oh,
No way!
I know I'm Red Watch. I've literally been Red Watch.
What's up, Danger?
Oh,
Yeah, kill me.
I'm sorry, but I don't think you came back and tried to kill me.
You guys are only good boys if you kill me. Oh shoot, I'm almost dead. Come on, keep going. Keep the RPGs going.
Wait, where am I?
Okay, one shot now.
Where's my RPG ammo? Where the frick is it all going? Oh, I know I killed him for sure. I know I killed him. Yo, I'm freaking nuking these guys like a champ.
Who here has the turtles?
What do I do?
Dad, you're so scared.
Bet. I'll donate to charity here. Bet, bro.
Bro, you losers. Put me back in my body, right now.
Oh no. I'm cooked.
Here you go. Put me back.
I might die right here.
Give me one of those.
Yes, thank you.
No.
Ew, disgusting. What the?
This is for park. For parkour.
I see a
Who farted you?
I play gorilla tag, so I'm good at the game. Uh-oh, one fell down. I'm pretty sure.
Well, I'm looking at it, and it doesn't. It looks like a whole place. It's not even a whole city. Hey, he's crying! Look at him, he's crying! Look, he's... So, I'm going up, and...
Yeah, well, I know I killed that guy. That was perfect aim.
So, I'm gonna go...
Yo, bro, I'm getting these guys so good. Yo.
Nope. Is anyone here? Hello?
Yeah, I think there's.
What are you doing?
Oh, they bought
Fuck.
Down there shooting him.
Hey, ghost. Ghost.
That is so sad! I killed him again! So, I'm climbing up a tree, and I see something terrifying in a few distance. It's like a
Chill. I'm sorry. I don't have any ammo left. I don't have no.
Shut your mouth, boy.
No. I told you I don't have no more ammo and I quit.
You naughty. You don't shoot children. No, you shoot children, but you don't shoot me, okay?
Okay, I won't
You only
shoot
shoot
you. Can you
children.
bring me back in my body?
I'll put you back in your body only if you promise to team up and kill children with me, okay? And blow them up.
Oh well. I will.
Yeah, I did that with another person, but he betrayed me.
I bet.
Hey, don't do that. Hey, hey, stop that. Hey, what do you think you're doing? I'm the nuker in this lobby, alright? I'll nuke you too.
Can you give me revolver ammo?
No.
Please.
Dude,
I am literally gonna see me on. Who wants to do a battle? It's gorillas versus all other animals. Hey, I'm on one of the clouds, and
Yo, can you buy me an RPG, Green?
Here, I got you.
Can somebody
Wait, I'm on cooldown. Can you buy us an RPG?
Can you buy me some ammo?
I don't have that unlocked.
why do you keep shooting?
Bro, if I buy another RPG, I'm probably gonna be at like 1 million. Look, I'm so low.
Give me the freaking ammo, dude.
At least I have another way to explode little Timmies. By taking a backpack. And
Yo,
putting
can someone give me an
dynamite in all of them.
RPG?
Give me the ammo.
Can you give me an RPG?
Guess what? It's time for you to float away.
He's done for, man.
Whoa!
You won't
Holy crap, he's invincible!
Yeah.
Like the show.
I did it.
Yo, help!
I did
I'm
it.
full anchor. Help! Green.
If anybody kills me on Red Watch, you're like boys. If anybody kills me, you're Red Watch, you're like boys. I made it all the way to the tippy top.
No way.
I'm not gonna kill you.
Okay.
Throw it quickly. It's gonna.
There's more.
Dana, I'm bad at throwing.
If you guys want to follow me,
5,
there's more than like
3,
expect.
2, 1.
That's only in. This is
Oh my
only
God.
up.
You just gotta throw it farther. Wait till
Use
someone's.
whatever the
Wait till someone's out of the safe zone.
No, I'm just gonna put it down to the good area for this. I usually use a crossbow.
Yeah, this is.
I'm Red Watch.
Nice.
I'm Red Watch.
That's a good throw. Oh, dang it, they moved out of the way. Well, then they moved out of a direction that we're over there with.
Yo, I'm coming right now. I'm loaded with RPG ammo. I'm coming.
There's something special for you. Oh, what the hell? I see a timer on you.
No one come after me or I'm gonna kill you with an RPG. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. And if you want to see some more Animal Company videos like this, well, not like nuking, but I might make some more Animal Company videos in the future. But if you want to see more, go check out some of my other Animal Company videos. And join my fan code, which is elitequest. ELITEQUEST. So join that code if you want to meet me. I'm gonna be in there, not all the time, but I'll be in there sometimes. So if you want to be a part of the Animal Company crew on my channel, go watch my videos, go join this code, and yeah, peace.